Well, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop. This is not going to be a really good video, I'm afraid, because we're out here in the blaring sun. Got the temperatures coming up, and I got this car covered with a blanket since, unfortunately, could not get it into the shop. It's full. Reason for the blanket being on is, let's go inside this car real quick if you can get a peek here. And got a heater running, because the headliner, of course, had come unglued once the back glass blew out. Been setting maybe over a year, I don't know how long, but a long time. So to re-stretch this headliner, since it's already been trimmed, we've got it covered up kind of like a cocoon right now with heat on. Let me shut the door real quick. Sorry about that. And one of my viewers that's kind of privately watching, let me sit down here just a minute, and let me turn around and get away from the sun. And he wanted to know about how to put this glass in, and I said, well, I'll go ahead and make a video best I can. May have to make it in two parts. Not only that, let's turn back around real quick, undo this corner of the cover, and right here, if you can see it, normal Mercedes and Chevelles, Chargers, they rust out right here in this corner. And so it's been treated with phosphoric acid. We're waiting for it to bleach out, turn white, and then before we put this headliner in, or the glass, excuse me, we will get this thing painted, primed and painted. And this is the only chance to fix this for the owner right now without removing the glass again. So hopefully this video turns out all right. We'll try to, as we get it installed, the glass, and rope it in and show our viewers how to do that on these old Mercedes. Pretty typical to the old Chargers, Mustangs that had the trim in the rubbers. And that being said, please comment and enjoy our videos, and share, please. We appreciate it. Come back to see us. Thank you.